Namaste or Assalamu alaikum dosto. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of Nankana Sahib. This is a city where Guru Nanak Dev Ji, founder of Sikhism, was born and grew up. And I don't know how far through this tour we're going to get, because the police here are trying to force me to have a security detail, even though I obviously don't need that. And this is a safe city for me to be roaming in. They're just trying to be overprotective, basically. They're just trying too hard. And it's really, really annoying for me, because I don't want no police, nobody following me around. And it's just a hassle. So I waited at the hotel for an hour for them, and then they never came. So I'm like, take it, I'll go on my own. Actually, I'm not going to make a video if the police are following me, you know what I mean? Like, these videos are to show reality, not to show some frickin' police tour of a city. So until they find me, I'll vlog. I'm just walking along the main road now. Here there's many Gurudwaras, and I've covered them all in another video, in multiple videos. So we won't visit any in this video. We're going to kind of check out the city and the markets and a little bit of the food as well. And I'll link to those Gurudwara video in the description. This is the railway station. Not much of a railway station. Very small place. They don't get many trains here. There's only like 4 or 5 trains that come through here a day. One goes to Lahore, one goes in the other direction. No trains coming. I'm pretty sure you can tell, but I'm really annoyed today. I don't feel like vlogging, but you know, I'm doing this walk for myself anyway, just to explore the city, so I might as well hit record. But it won't be a normal vlog where I'm, you know, super happy and chatting with tons of people, because I'm really annoyed at the police for hassling me. Anyway, I just had lunch over a new golden restaurant. I had dal. Hi, assalamu alaikum. Nice people here, nice people. So I had food over at new golden restaurant, and I had dal. It was out of this world. The vegetarian food tastes really good here, because I think they use meat stock in the vegetarian dishes. I think that's why it tastes different here, like a little bit more flavor than pure vegetarian food. Now we're walking towards the main markets here. And people are super friendly here in Nankana Sahib. I don't think many of them have seen a foreigner before, and so you know, a lot of people stop just to stare. But people are friendly, really friendly and nice here. Assalamu alaikum. So yeah, very easy to meet people and greet people here. And yeah, we're walking into the old part of the town now, as you can see. Oh, this is the Phal Mandi, the fruit and vegetable market, like a really big open market. Let me show you around. Everybody's selling vegetables. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum जी. जी इसका दाम क्या है? हाँ हाँ, कितने का है? 60 रुपए पाव. और टमाटर? 130 रुपए किलो. And beans? Oh, chili, मिर्च. 130. 130. और garlic? 340. अच्छा अच्छा. गाजर? 30 रुपए किलो. अच्छा अच्छा. ठीक है, शुक्रिया जी. So they've got the prices. Assalamu alaikum जी. जी कीनो कितने रुपए हैं एक की?
140.
140 1 kg. और केले?
केले 120.
120. अच्छा.
कौन से मुल्क से हैं आप?
न्यूजीलैंड. न्यूजीलैंड.
न्यूजीलैंड से?
हाँ जी. मैं देख रहा हूँ.
आज मौसम?
नो नो नो. अच्छा शुक्रिया जी. अल्लाह हाफिज. Wow, look at this. These vegetables, they're so fresh and so yummy. Wow. Assalamu alaikum ji. And just like in India, people yell out, you know, gajar le lo, pyaz le lo, like this. ये गुड़ है? अच्छा, कितने के हैं? 100 रुपए 1 किलो. अच्छा. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. And this is Assalamu alaikum ji. This is tea stall. Tea stall. I can read Urdu very slowly, but they've written it in English. They haven't written it in Urdu language like chai dukan. क्या जी?
जग टी?
ओह ठीक है, हाँ मैं चाय पीऊँगा. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. शुक्रिया जी. चाय कितने का है भाई?
30 रुपीस का.
एक कप 30 रुपीस. अच्छा. ये मेरे दोस्त है. ये लोग नंकाना साहिब से हैं, है ना? और आप क्या काम करते हैं?
हम ये गाड़ियाँ चलाते हैं. ये रखते हैं, ये गाड़ी वो चलाते हैं. हाँ, ये वो थरे हमारी गाड़ी. वो चैतरे हैं, वो देखते सामने.
This
वो
kid,
सामने
he's taking the tea.
वो सामने वाली चैतरे हैं गाड़ी.
अच्छा, समझ गया.
ये चलाते हैं हम.
समझ गया. He is a rickshaw driver. He drives the cars here. समझ गया. And yeah, I'm just sitting here. I'm about to have a tea with the chaiwala here at the Fal Mandi. Yeah, so the rickshaw drivers are just checking the scene. Scene क्या है? फरंगी आदमी आए हैं. So just chatting. And yeah, just sitting at the market waiting for my tea. कुछ बोलिए भाई. नाम क्या है? अजमल. अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा नाम है. और क्या? और बता भाई. So he's working at the tea stall and he's carrying the tea to the various different shops around here, delivering tea to people. That's the young lad's job. And the tea is 30 rupees per cup. Oh, we got more people coming to visit. Assalamu alaikum. Good. People are very interested in a foreigner, yeah. This is my tea. I've got a whole piala. Iska naam piala hai na? I've got a whole piala of tea. So yeah, yum. Alright, so my mood is lifting thanks to the lovely people of Nankana Sahib. I told you they're nice. My mood is going up. It'll go up until the police come and hassle me again. So let me show you this next street. This next street, it's really strange. It has all the banks on it and let's have a look around. I just met one of my subscribers here. How are you, bro?
I'm fine.
And he's brought me over to where we're smoking hookah. Well, I'm not smoking hookah, but I just want to show you, like, it's very similar across the border in Haryana and Punjab, where a lot of people around here smoking hookah and sitting on, these are called charpais?
Yes.
Yeah, on cart or charpai. And it's like a bed that you can relax on. So yeah, now I've just joined these guys just to chill out for a bit. After that little outing, I decided to finish my Nankana Sahib trip there and I went back to my hotel and I just played with the goats and sat in the sun for the afternoon. Sometimes when you face problems like I did, it's best to just see that as a sign and to move on to the next city where your luck will change. Nankana Sahib is an incredible place with wonderful people and a rich history, and I hope that I can return one day with my wife, Manisha.